In this video, we are going to go over how to edit an employee or add a new employee. Let's start by going to our Manager tab at the top, then Settings, then Users. Click the Employees tab at the top. Now everything you see in the left column are all of your existing employees. Your database may have some pre-programmed employees that look like this: Example Bartender, Example Cashier, and Example Server. For this video, we are going to use Example Bartender as our employee. Here is where you can put the screen name of your specific employee. If you plan on using SkyTab for payroll, you should put in the employee's legal first name and then their legal last name. Employee ID and payroll ID are optional, so you're not required to fill these out. The next spot we have is for the PIN number. This needs to be a unique 4-digit number that this specific employee can use to clock in and out of the terminal. If you ever need to reset this PIN, you can click the blue Reset button, enter the new PIN, and then click Done. What I did, since I don't want to forget this PIN, is I took the PIN number from here and I put it in the field above, under Employee ID. This way, it lives somewhere visible. The next part is the MAG card field. This is where you can swipe and have a manager card assigned to a specific employee. This way, they can use a swipe card instead of a 4-digit number on a terminal. You can assign a card by clicking Swipe Card, followed by physically swiping the card through the onboard reader with the black stripe facing you. Now, let's take a look at jobs. This specific employee does work as a bartender, but they also work as a server during the weekdays. To add another job to this employee, click Tap to Edit. You can assign a job from the left column by clicking it. This moves it to the right column. Let's say our example bartender gets paid $5 an hour as a server. You can click Edit Rates up here on the right and edit the rate for whatever job they are assigned to. Then I'll click Done and OK. So, when this employee clocks in for the first time a day, the system will ask them what job they will be working that day. Now let's take a look at permissions. Everything you see on the left are all of the permissions not allowed for this employee, while everything you see here on the right are permissions this employee has access to. If you are ever curious what a specific permission means, you can click the Definition button to elaborate. It will be up to you as the owner to assign specific permissions to your employees. And once you do, you can then click OK and save. Now, when it comes to adding a new employee, there are 2 ways you can do so, but I'm going to show you the easy way. Let's say you just hired a brand new bartender and you need to put them in your system. Rather than clicking Add New Employee, which starts you from scratch, it would be better to highlight a very similar employee that has all of the same permissions that you would like to assign to your new hire. Highlight the employee you would like to copy permissions from, and then click Duplicate. Make sure the screen name box is clear before you enter the name of your new employee. All you need is the screen name and a new PIN. Then click Save. That's all you need to add a new employee. If you would like to edit the rates, you can do so on an individual basis.